In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put ads on your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to monetize your blog, showcase your services with targeted ads, or simply explore the potential of online advertising, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First and foremost, we need to gain access to your Godaddy account. Start off by clicking on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. This is your gateway to managing and customizing your website to your preferences. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be greeted with text fields asking for your username and password. Here you'll need to type in the credentials you chose when you first created your Godaddy account. Ensuring you've entered the correct details will avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. After entering your login details, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button once more. This action confirms your identity and grants you access to the dashboard where your sites and services are managed. Now navigate to the website you wish to add ads to. If you own multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Each website you manage through Godaddy has its unique settings and customization options. Located near the top of the page or in the dashboard menu, you'll find an option labelled Edit Website. Clicking on this will take you into the website editor where you can make changes to your site's layout, content, and add new features, including ads. Within the editor, you'll want to locate the Settings option. This might be represented by a gear icon or simply as a text link. The settings area is where you can tweak the back-end and external features of your site, from SEO to social media links and of course the advertisements. Once in settings, look for an option titled Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of the most popular platforms for website advertising, allowing site owners to earn money by displaying targeted ads to their visitors. Clicking on this option will bring you closer to monetizing your site. For those new to Google AdSense, don't worry. Within the Google AdSense section, you'll find a button or link that says Sign Up for Google AdSense. Clicking this will lead you to Google's AdSense setup process. If you already have an AdSense account, this stage will instead involve logging in to connect your existing account to your Godaddy website. Here's an important tip. Signing up or logging into Google AdSense allows you to connect your account, but the real magic happens when you add your AdSense script to your site. This script is a snippet of code that Google provides, enabling AdSense ads to be displayed on your website. Carefully add your unique AdSense script into the designated area within the Godaddy editor. Last but certainly not least, don't forget to turn on the Use Ads.txt feature. Ads.txt is a simple, flexible, and secure method that publishers and distributors can use to publicly declare the companies they authorize to sell their digital inventory. By doing so, you're ensuring that the ads displayed are legitimate, potentially increasing your revenue and the trust of your visitors. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting ads up and running on your Godaddy website. Remember, patience and experimentation with ad placement and types can make a huge difference in your site's earning potential. Don't be afraid to test different configurations to see what works best for your audience and content. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has demystified the process of adding ads to your Godaddy website, and I wish you success in your monetization efforts. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on managing and optimizing your online presence.